Wow!
How's that?
So
Works
clean.
pretty slick, eh?
Next time mag-ihaw mo, ingon anion na ninyo oh. Soak it in the hot water.
It was still at 140.
Yep. It's still going on, but I just stopped till 140.
Well, 140. That's what they say that suggested.
Zion feels boring. Hey, you should be there, Zion. Look at the chicken.
With chicken.
That one.
No.
It keeps on moving.
That's food.
Chicken stuff. Training day. Who wants the feet? Oh, the feet, it's so big. Good for Adidas. I could keep that.
They're for raccoons.
Give for Filipinas. I'm sure they would like that.
Oh, I don't know, David. Come to the feathers.
Done?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, wow. Right.
Our first crop.
I should have.
Our chicken crop.
Chicken crop.
A chicken crop, right, Zion?
Hi, Zion.